Hi, this is Errol, and I like to introduce you my WP Publisher Pro. It's a system what creates content, but on a very high level. From the content you can post it to WordPress sites. You have a content editor which creates only one page. You can edit it. The bulk scheduler is creating more than one post. You can create 200 posts immediately, schedule them in WordPress sites. The bulk article generator is more for if you are using other link building tools like SEO Neo, Money Robot, GSA, and yes, these tools still work. I'm using this on a daily basis, and I created this myself because I'm not complaining about others. I needed a system what really good for me, for the quality and for my clients. But this is a short video to show you how I work with the content editor. Before I start with creating an article, of course you do some keyword research, right? Well, you can go to Ahrefs and all this, which I also do, like everybody. But I created an AI keyword generator and authority link research to work more fast. For example, if I go to the AI keyword generator, I like to see what kind of relevant keywords there are, right? I put in the topic or niche, in this case, for an example, barefoot shoes. I want long tail and questions. In target audience optional, it's for sport people. To generate keywords, so we have 21 keywords. Barefoot shoes for running. It gives me an idea to use. I'm gonna start to use barefoot shoes for running. You go to content editor, but before I do this, because barefoot shoes, there is some science behind it. You know, why are they so special? So I go to authority link research page, and here you see. Of course, you have to look if it's a positive research, right? Take that one, and I think I also gonna take the title. We are ready for barefoot shoes for running. So we go to the content editor, and here you see a couple of things, which of course is important. You have to use your own APIs, which makes it more easy for you because you can run as much articles you like. For now, I use OpenAI. We use the GPT-4o for now. We choose the root keywords. I can take some extra keywords, relevant keywords. The prompt I keep default. That's already very good prompt, but I also have some really good niche prompts. Business info, we keep it simple. The majority links, well, we had some link. Anchor text, I'm gonna put another link. Zero shoes. I can do barefoot shoes, but in this case I do just the branding. So now I can choose in between anywhere, first, second, last paragraph. I want this in the last paragraph, exact match. In here, I just put the second paragraph. Custom prompt, not important for now. Blog post, English, we have some choices. And I go for 1200. Professional, general public. Well, we are talking about experts, right? So we want an expert write it. The complexity have to be medium. Neutral, I go first person because we write about somebody, about a company and its brand. We're gonna go for 5, 7, 8 2s, one list, detailed FAQ, and I want 5 FAQs. Gonna take a key takeaway, block quote, pros or cons, and I think this is for now. Avoid AI words. It's gonna create it, and here it is. I can change things, I can add things, delete things. You can see here the links. We have the title, we have to create an image, right? I'm not going to use the AI. You really want the real deal, right? I had the link, you can upload, AI generate or URL, and we're going to put in the URL, we apply, and here are the zero shoes. I want to publish it immediately. So here we have, let's have a look, which one I'm gonna take this one. I take the help. So we're gonna publish it. It's published, and let's have a look. And here it is. Let's have a look. Looks good to me. Everything is in it. And in a way we are done now with this article, right? So let's see if we can index it quickly. In Google Search Console, of course. To wait, not indexed, of course. And it's indexed. You can see this was the URL. In 5 minutes I created a really good article. The system can do a lot more, so have a look to the other videos. Okay, bye.